Self-leveling sealants flow and flatten themselves into a smooth bead, while semi-self-leveling sealants hold more shape and resist sag on slight slopes. Self-leveling sealants are formulated to be highly fluid, so they naturally settle into a flat, continuous surface without tooling, making them ideal for horizontal joints, such as floors and expansion gaps, where a uniform finish and full contact with the substrate are critical. Use them on clean, dry, and dust-free concrete, tile, or metal floors. Apply with a continuous pour from a cartridge or bulk pour container, and avoid pausing so the bead can merge and level. Semi-self-leveling sealants have higher viscosity and greater thixotropy, so they stay put on small slopes and vertical transitions. While still offering some surface leveling, they are better for angled joints, threshold details, and decks with slight pitch. For adhesive and movement accommodation, select a product whose elongation, modulus, and cure profile match the substrate and expected movement. Check technical data sheets for % elongation and shore hardness, and choose lower modulus where movement and flexibility are required. Surface preparation is critical for both types. Remove contaminants with mechanical abrasion or solvent wiping, use a compatible primer if the data sheet calls for it, and mask edges to control bleed and ensure a neat joint line. Cure conditions matter, so plan for temperature and humidity ranges specified by the manufacturer and allow full cure before traffic or water exposure to avoid imprinting or premature failure. Common errors include choosing a self-leveling product for a slope joint and watching it run off. Use semi-self-leveling for slopes and test a small area first to confirm sag resistance. Another frequent issue is poor adhesion from inadequate surface prep. Clean, dry surfaces and primers, when specified, usually prevent adhesion failure. Overfilling or underestimating joint width causes cracking or lack of movement accommodation. Follow joint design rules such as maintaining an appropriate width to depth ratio and tooling or trimming excess before full cure to maintain correct geometry. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting users search projects, read real examples, and post requests so contractors can respond with proposals. We host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask specific installation questions, and share product experiences.